day on the canal today. Favourite place. See all the barges. The shooting club just down there as well. Just heading towards Stoke here. Stoke town. A lot of bikers, there's a lot of factories. Don't Stanley Matthews way around here. Sainsbury's, Screwfix, see loads of workers. These signs have always got Shardlow. 55 miles I went there last year. It's a nice place, a lot of history there. Get the industry sort up in Shardlow, it's Derbyshire. But love my canals, watch a lot of programmes on them. 93.5 miles long this one, the Trent and Mersey canal. Major reason why the Industrial Revolution took off, because people like Josiah Wedgwood and Doulton could sort of export the ware, as we call it round here, the China, without as many breakages. So it was pulled round on a horse and cart over cobbles. You can imagine how many breakages there must have been. Josiah Wedgwood was a big part of the Industrial Revolution happening. Engineered by James Brindley. There's a lovely statue of him at the Canal and Festival Park. But it fascinates me because you look at it now and you think, how was it possible to do it? 93.5 miles long, dug out by shovels and picks. Nice ducks there. Yeah, I mean, imagine that for a job. They call them navvies, the workers. But I always wonder, like, if the same team did it or whether they dug along, camped, you know, and carried on. If anyone knows, I'd love to know, or whether it was different teams in different areas. Obviously, so much history in this canal in Stoke-on-Trent. If we went left there, that takes you up to the roundabouts, takes you straight into Stoke town centre where the big council building is. Quite a lot of graffiti. I don't actually mind it when it's done nice, when it's like that, it's looks vile. It'd be lovely to think it could be painted white and then like bottle ovens doing on it properly and stuff like that, reminding passers-by of the industry that surrounds them. It's still got a lot of work going on here, always has been. Traffic there, absolutely manic around this area. It's so nice to get away from it. If you do come down here, you have to really keep watching your back because there's so many bikes. A lot of people say the canals here and the Burslem probably the most historic in the whole of the country, because we've still got bottle ovens about because they're all grade 2 listed, luckily, so they're still about. As other cities, you've got your sort of modern buildings, there's just no character. So I think this is, if you're into this is a really nice canal to come and explore. If you carried on along here, you eventually come to Festival Park, and before that you've got the Museum where the James Brindley statue is. It's a nice bit of shade, it's absolutely brilliant today. past this bit here now. This is where you sort of bit of history starts. It's quite overgrown, so you can't actually see the factory, which is a shame. I've linked in before about the factory. I think I'll be able to get it in a second. Just see the bottle of them coming up in a minute. Got your cobbles, which I always love. I'll link in the description. I can't think off the top of my head. I did a video on it especially a few weeks ago though. I'll leave to that because that's a long walk and not that much to look at. Thanks for watching. I'll link in what this is. I can't think right now. Have a good day everyone. Enjoy the sunshine.